Hey there, today I'll show you how to find your Vercel project ID using the dashboard. Let's get straight into it. First, if your project belongs to a team rather than your personal account, you'll need to select the right team. At the top of your Vercel dashboard, click the Team Switcher dropdown and choose the team that owns the project. Your selected team name will appear in the switcher once it's active. If you're on a personal account, you can skip this step. Next, click on the project you need the ID for. You'll see your project cards in the main dashboard area. Just click the name of the one you want. Once you do that, the project dashboard opens up, showing you an overview of your production deployment and any pre-production deployments that are currently active. Now, look over at the left sidebar of the project dashboard. You'll see a settings link there. Click that to open the project settings. The general settings page will load. Once you're on the general settings page, scroll down until you find the project ID field. It's under the general section, so you may need to scroll a bit depending on your screen size. You'll know you found it when you see an ID string that starts with plur. That's your unique project ID. To copy the ID, select the full ID string and copy it to your clipboard. There should be a copy button next to the field that you can click if you prefer. Your browser might show a quick copied confirmation when you use the button. So what's this ID actually for? The project ID is what you'll need when working with the Vercel REST API to carry out tasks relating to your project. You'll also use it in CLI commands that need to reference a specific project and when setting up CI/CD pipelines that deploy to Vercel. If you're configuring integrations or webhooks, many of them will ask for your project ID to know which project they're connecting to. The ID format is always PRJ_, followed by a unique string of characters. This format is standard across all Vercel projects, so you'll recognize it easily if you're managing multiple projects. The ID is permanent. Even if you rename your project later or move it between teams, the project ID stays exactly the same. That makes it reliable for automation scripts and integrations. Once you've copied the ID, store it somewhere secure, especially if you're working in a team environment. Many developers keep their project IDs in environment variable files or secure note systems alongside their API tokens. That way, you don't have to navigate back to the dashboard every time you need to reference the project programmatically. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.